Hey guys, welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 12 of 7, unique number of occurrences. So this is an easy level question, and the description goes as follows. Given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value of the array is unique, or false otherwise. So again, this is asking not about the uniqueness of the values in the input array, but of the occurrences of those values. For example, in this case, 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs twice, and 3 occurs once. Well, for those of you who have been looking at these videos quite often, we use the counter default structure that is implemented as a dictionary. Counter takes in an array and counts the number of times each element occurs in that array. Let's see how this looks if we were to print it. Counter r, return false for now. Counter is going to be that dictionary that we talked about, where the values are the counts or the number of occurrences, and the keys are the values themselves. So this is a easy question because the counter is pretty much already implemented for us. All that's left here to do is to figure out if the occurrences or if the values here repeat. And the way to do that would be to have a counter, as we initially had, and then have another set maybe, and then for val in counter values, since this is implemented as a dictionary, values just gives us a list of, or an iterable of all the values that occur. If val in s, then return false. This will execute, this condition will be true only if the value has already been added to s, but if it hasn't, then simply add that value to the set, and considering or presuming that this all goes smooth, return true, and return true signifying that no occurrence is repeating. Let's run this, see that, make sure that everything works fine, all the test cases, and it does submit. So this is another one of those relatively easy questions. We're beating 95% of all submissions, 95th percentile, so I'm not going to go into it. Yeah, this is another easy question. So first step is to probably just identify all the data structures that are going to be needed to use this, and in this case it's just a counter and a set, so a dictionary and a set, and then some very minimal logic to iterate through all the occurrences to make sure that no occurrence is repeating. Let's end today's video. This is a quick one. Please like and subscribe, helps out the channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.